Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel Power Query tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain using a Power Query in Excel sheet how to calculate the age from a date of birth. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's enter our new employee details here. Kumar, 24th March, some random date 82, enter. Now after enter the new Kumar details, the employee details, notice in the sheet 2 we need to refresh the data, refresh. So here we got the Kumar details is automatically added here with age in years from the date of birth, from table to using the Power Query. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on my Excel sheet, the Excel sheet name is a book 1, the workbook name is a book 1. I have some dummy data of the employees, employee name and date of birth. Just for the time saving, I have added some data. Now my aim is I want to display the real age of the employees from this date of birth in years here. So for that I am using a Power Query. Using the Power Query, we don't need to write any formulas, we just get that we can calculate easily the date of birth. So first we need to go to data, then after that we need to convert this data into a table format. For that, notice here under data, from table, click that one. Where this table of your table, we need to select the range. After that, I am expanding this small window. My table has headers. Of course, my table has headers. Select that one, click OK. Now, after convert the data into a table from the data, notice here we got the data in our query editor. Now, first thing, notice that on the headers, this is a text and this is a calendar format. We need to convert this into date format. And after converting the date, select the add column. We require one new column to display the years of the age of the person. So go to add column. On the add column, notice the date here. Select that one from years, not years, the age. Click the age. And notice here we got the age in number of days here. But we need to convert this into years. After converting the date of birth into days, number of days, now here we got the duration option is activated. Now from that, we need to select the total years, and here we got the total number of years. Here we got. Now we need to convert this into whole number. For that, again select this small window here, the button, which is a data type. Click that one. I'm selecting the whole number 4044. This is the real age of the employee from date of birth to number of years. Now we don't require this age column here. So select that one, right click the mouse, remove. That's it. Now we need to transfer this data into our Excel sheet. So go to home, close and load to. I'm selecting the table. The data should be loaded on my new worksheet. Click load. And here we got the age of the years from the date of birth using the Power Query. Now the beauty is, using the Power Query, we don't need to write again the same Power Query steps. If you add one new data here, for example, now let's enter our new employee details here. Kumar, 24th March, some random date 82, enter. Now after enter the new Kumar details, the employee details, Notice in the sheet 2, we need to refresh the data. Refresh. So here we got the Kumar details is automatically added here with age in years from the date of birth. From table to using the Power Query. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to calculate the age using a Power Query from date of birth in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.